We've been having an issue on the Tiguans where the rubber of the control arm bushing is actually delaminating from the metal ring that it sits in. Let me get right up in here. I'll get the light in here. Get the light. Yeah, right there. You see that lip? That's the rubber actually spilling out of it. You see it in the back?
Yeah,
there?
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Right there. The rubber is actually peeling off of this metal trim.
Gotcha.
So we're going to go ahead and replace these guys. So lower cover off for a minute.
Splash shields. T25. Passenger side, 517s. Driver side, 517.
16.
316s, be careful. They are fragile. 3 more. 18 bolt and a nut. What size is that?
18.
18.
Pry on the differential, just enough to get that 18 out. Pull down hard. You want to pry there, and then you want to pry right on the bushing itself.
Can you show me where it's ripped? Can you see it or no?
Yeah, you can see where it's right in here. The bonding of the rubber to the metal has failed. The rubber is actually peeling away from it. I bet you an old wheel bearing shell would probably work perfect for this. It's the same thing here. You have some marks. You have these two little lines. One's really distinct, one's kind of there. You have this little tab. Make yourself a little mark where that tab is. Gonna press it out. VW 3348 is a perfect fit for that. See it even here, a little lip just delaminating from it. So now you want to give the arrow on one side and the ear. The arrow is going to go between these two hash marks, and the ear is going to go to our mark we made right there. Alright. VW 3348/1 is going to be the fixture to line it up. Okay, go right down until I got about a 3mm gap right there. There's one line with the arrow. Make yourself a little mark for the ear. But you can see the way this one's been flexing. It's crooked here. It's pulling out here and flat here.
Yeah, hydraulic.
Line up with our line, arrow line, ear, mark. Okay. Put our fixture, 3348/1. stack them up. Something ain't right about that.
Just pressing it back in.
Same thing, we're stopping about a 3mm gap right there.
All ready.
Shove them in there as far as they'll go. Get them close there. Pry bar. Get under this tab here. Slowly work it forward. Send that in. Then you want to use your pry bar. Get underneath the lip of the bushing and very gently line up the hole. So you start on the lip of the control arm, kind of pull it out a little. Line up your forward mount. And then you go on the lip of the bushing.
Screwdriver time.
This will just fine tune them. Ball joint.
$18 bolt and a nut. Using the bar to rock the transmission out to get this bolt
Just
in.
enough.
Just
enough. Just to get that bolt out. We'll get it back in now.
Can you show me exactly where you're pressing? An idea?
Right here. Differential
Okay.
up against there. Using
it.
it like a lever to get that in and out.
Got it.
Snug. Snug. First ones you actually tighten are the rear ones. Put your finger on the nut.
Tighten the rears and put your finger on the nut.
Now lock down your front.
.316. .616s. Be careful, don't snap them. It'll cost you $100, because I know. Installing passenger wheel, 517s. Driver side wheel, 517s.
Permanent studio there.
Don't forget your caps. Installing the splash shield. Held on with some T25s. It looks like 6. 8 T25s. And 9, one up here. Bringing her down. Alrighty, a little start test. Don't forget to reset your lights with the wheels, turning them all the way to the left and all the way to the right. That'll turn your wheel light off. She runs.